Today we're taking you on a tropical adventure with the Calypso Queen Tropical Party buffet cruise in the beautiful Clearwater Beach, Florida. This vibrant, colorful boat promises a party atmosphere the moment you step on board. We chose the evening cruise, which begins at 7 p.m. and included a dinner buffet lasted around 2.5 hours. Our tickets for 2 adults and 2 children cost $183. To save a bit, we recommend booking your reservations online.
How are you feeling about this, Torsha?
Good.
Oh yeah?
We're in the boat right now.
No, we're right on the boat.
It's nice, right?
What do you think, babe?
I think it's good. I like the assigned seating.
Oh yeah,
That's our
assigned
name.
seats.
Yes, or Calypso Tropical Cruise.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about the food. The Tropical Party buffet includes roasted chicken with mango glaze, tender beef teriyaki, Caesar salad, chilled steamed shrimp, pulled pork in a sweet barbecue sauce, and plenty of sides. And don't forget the unlimited beer, wine, rum punch, and soft drinks during the cruise. So grab your favorite drink, kick back, and enjoy the ride.
What did you get, dude? Oh.
I got pasta, I got fruits, and I got ham, and I got Caesar salad, and I got a bread.
Oh, nice. Did you get butter with your bread or no?
No.
No.
Do you want anything?
No, I'm gonna get some.
Guys, we're gonna go to the second floor. Let's go.
As we cruise along, you'll get some of the best views of Clearwater coastline with stunning sunsets, one of the reasons we chose this evening cruise, and fresh ocean breeze and lively music make this a perfect tropical getaway.
Okay. Look at this. Look at the view.
Scared. It's like,
That's our home.
Oh yeah.
guys, it's officially 7 p.m. Boy, I'm scared.
Of course, what's a party without some dancing? The Calypso Queen has a live DJ to keep the vibes going, whether you're into dancing or just want to enjoy the show. There's entertainment for everyone.
Careful, baby, careful. How was your experience here on the
It was so much fun. I was dancing a lot and I met some new friends.
Wow.
was fun.
It was fun. You like
Yeah,
it?
Juanita was dancing a lot.
Juanita had all the fun in the world.
It reminded me of myself when I was 19.
As we wrap up our cruise, we hope you enjoyed the sneak peek into the Calypso Queen Tropical Party buffet cruise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more adventures.